A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is the quiet brain, reconnecting to cosmic energy through stillness. Ladies and gentlemen, amid the relentless noise of modern life, the human brain, once a quiet, exquisite receiver of cosmic rhythm, now strains to hold its signal. In children, in professionals, in elders alike, the mind is overtasked and undernourished. The ancient promise of a divine interface where thought communes with energy and silence opens portals of wisdom grows faint beneath the weight of distractions. Yet the path home still exists, and it begins by dissolving distractions, restoring stillness as the sacred bridge between consciousness and the cosmos. Today's existence resembles a constant relay of demands where stress, digital saturation, and emotional fatigue relentlessly hammer the mind. The brain, faced with unending inputs, begins to misfire, not from lack of intelligence, but from energy exhaustion. Emotional residues linger, thoughts loop endlessly, fatigue deepens, rationality dims. Neurologically, this is no mystery. The brain, like an overheated processor, starts to slow, jam, and distort its signals. Its reception of subtle energies weakens. Its ability to amplify, reflect, prioritize, and transmit falters. And in this condition, the sacred flow of cosmic energy in the brain and its alignment with the divine intelligence gets interrupted. But ancient wisdom, now validated by science, offers a way forward, a return to equilibrium by dissolving distractions and consciously generating positive internal energy. This is not about withdrawal or struggle, but a redirection of inner energy on thoughts and how to shift them from negative to neutral and from neutral to positive. This needs awareness and practice. Through daily routine aligned with circadian rhythm, sunshine, mindful breath, conscious stillness, gratitude, nutritious food, physical activity, and alignment with meaning, the ability returns to readily dissipate mental fog whenever it tries to form. Each such attempt, each such moment of conscious calm thus achieved creates neutrality and neurological space. The system cools. It can be then consciously steered towards positive thoughts and purposeful actions. In this state, the cosmic energy begins to flow, and with it, the brain remembers how to listen again, not to noise, but to the divine frequency waiting to be harnessed. Stillness, then, is not the beginning. It is the byproduct of accumulated positive energy. The brain, once charged with light and neutrality, becomes ready to receive cosmic impulses, interpret divine guidance, and transmit light into the world. What's the way forward? This transformation is not accidental. It is a mission to practice daily, how to cleanse inner circuits, how to let go of mental residues, how to avoid distractions, how to replace negative and reactive thinking with positive, purposeful, and conscious alignment. As inner energy cleanses the system, thoughts become lighter and productive. And as positivity fills the space, negativity dissolves. And eventually, a new neutrality emerges, a middle zone where silence is no longer empty, but full of meaning. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, like Arjuna, while on the battlefield of Kurukshetra, and as described in the Bhagavad Gita, the modern mind too stands overwhelmed, not from lack of strength, but from the noise within. Doubt clouds purpose. Emotion blurs vision. Distraction dims clarity. Yet the way forward does not lie in more striving, but in deeper stillness. Stillness is not silent emptiness. It is quiet strength cultivated through breath, gratitude, presence, and alignment. Each moment of calm creates space. That space invites light, and where light enters, confusion begins to fade. This transformation is not sudden. It is a sacred return, a practice of gently bringing the mind from the weight of the negative into the balance of neutrality and slowly lifting it towards the positive. Divine energy supports this journey, subtle, constant, and always near. When the mind becomes still, thought softens, resistance dissolves. The deeper current, the one that connects consciousness to the cosmos, begins to flow again. In that vibration, the spirit rises, clarity awakens, and a quiet knowing returns. Arjuna, in the blessed presence of Lord Krishna and under his divine guidance, had experienced all this live. This is the path not to escape life, but to align with its highest rhythm. A daily return to stillness, where energy becomes light and the self becomes a silent bridge between the seen and the infinite. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.